The graph of y equals 1 over x is translated 3 units left and 2 units up. So first of all, this was one of the graphs that we knew from the beginning. As soon as you see the equation, your mind should say, I know that my 1 over x graph has an asymptote here, an asymptote here, and it has this shape. And I know the coordinates of those 2 points. So that's the expectation. When you see an equation that we've learned, you will know exactly in your head what that graph looks like, and you could label the key points on this graph are 1, 1, and -1, -1, along with the asymptotes, and you would know you could label those asymptotes: horizontal asymptote y equals 0, vertical asymptote x equals 0. The question is saying, what is the equation of the image graph? Now, this isn't in function notation. We have no function notation here, so our equation that we write will have no function notation either. How do we write that equation of 3 to the left and 2 units up? Well, our equation would be 1 over, but wherever the x was, that's inside our function. And what's happening? It's moving 3 to the left. Anything that moves things left and right happens inside of our function where the x was. So if I want to show 3 to the left, I would have a +3 where the x was. Outside of the function, we'll move things up and down. So 2 units up shows up as a +2 afterwards. If you want, some people like to put that x +3 in brackets to feel like it's inside more. That's fine. But you don't need brackets on the bottom of fraction in this situation. So that's all this question is. This one you can now try 12 to 15. And again, we'll take 5 minutes, and then we'll do our last example of the day.